Happy birthday, America. It's the 4th of July.
Good morning, guys. Hope you guys caught this guy right here, this little PDYN. This was alerted at $8, and my top target was 1080. Hope you guys caught that. Good morning, good morning. Let's see what we can get into today. There's a lot going on. I hope you guys can hear me okay. Let's do a sound check first, huh? Can you guys hear me okay? Tommy gun, yes. Perfect. All right, good. All right, well, let's get into it. ELPW looked like it was going for about 18 and a half and then decided to cut back. We're watching for it to get back over volume weighted average price. PDYN had some news this morning. That's why I decided to run. Paladine AI reports fourth quarter and full year 2025 results and reiterates 2026 revenue guidance of 24 to 27 million. There's a lot more in that guidance, so check out that. Good morning, Fred Flintstone, Tommy Gunn, Caleb. Good morning, Debbie. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys caught that alert on the Discord. All right. We'll keep on looking. Hopefully we can catch another quick little runner. Let me reorganize my screens here. Okay, that's good. I've got my freaking my my test today. I have an echocardiogram I gotta get done. So so no damn coffee for me today, unfortunately. So if I'm a little sleepy, I apologize. I've not had one drop of coffee. I'm not crying. You're crying. All right, let me get my screens up here. All right. IVBD appoints distinguished physician and scientist Michael Mina, MD, PhD, as chief medical officer. This one, this ELPW, they're doing a 1-for-20 reverse split. It's going to be coming up, I think, before March 9th. EVGN reports fourth quarter, full year 2025 financial results. Let's see what EVGN's looking like. Don't forget to hit the like, the follow, and the share, guys. Mostly that share. We want to let people know that I am on. America. I'm gonna put it in here. Hang on one second. Got a lot of stuff going on right now. I'll be right there. Oh boy. Hey, what's up? let's see, let's see. What do we got here? What do we got? So don't know if going anywhere. I've been busy buying up since last week. RGTI, Mr. J. Wait, I thought it was Mr. J. uh, there we go, Kyle. There we go. That's what I was looking for. There we go. That's what I wanted to do. And confirm. There we go. And do that. And that. Okay, cool. We're all set up. I think we're good to go now. All right. Well, let's keep on looking here. You said RGTI, so let's look at RGTI here real quick. Here's RGTI. So you must have done pretty good today then, because it blew up. It decided to go up a whole doll hair. Oh, but if you were in it from yesterday or from previous times, I guess not, because it's been in a downtrend, small downtrend. Yeah, small downtrend. Consolidation right here between what is that, 1767 and 1644. A little consolidation up and down, up and down. So you should be good. If you said you've been loading up on it for a while, that means you probably got it down here somewhere. That's pretty good. Watch IBO. Oh, I'm watching it. I'm watching it. If you guys hear any dings or buzzers, it's because I have IBO on my other screen here. Yo, good morning, Night Owl. Good morning, Debbie. Hey, how about that taking profit stuff, huh? It's contagious. ALCPB. Jesus. Can we make a ticker longer? What is that? ALCPB. What is that? That doesn't come on. It doesn't come up. ALCPB. BTAI, of course. So I don't know if you guys watched any of this stuff yesterday. Any of the Senate meetings, any of that stuff. I don't know if you watched okay. I don't know if you guys watched Caroline Levitt yesterday talk about, important stuff. But yeah, but if anything, I'd be watching AI stocks, AI infrastructure, all that fun stuff. Um, and I was about to post, I've been working on this pretty much all morning. Obviously had ChatGPT make it sound like I'm not a dumbass. I put my information in there and then I said, "Hey, make sure this thing's grammatically correct." Oh God. Oh Jesus. Woof. All right, so there's BTI there. And what else was moving today? Look at no volume yet, but it jumped up pretty good there. And nah, let's not look at that one yet. Not ready, not ready. Still looking for it. And BTI, I'd wait for it to get back over VWAP, volume weighted average price, the yellow line. What do you mean, Debbie? Debbie is a person in here. Yeah, we don't talk about Bitcoin or any of that crap. As you can see, I'm on Monday through Friday, 4 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. This is not financial advice. This is entertainment only and no fucking crypto talk. There we go. See, now I like it. Now I like it. Let's see. What is it? $2? So that means 50. That means buy 50. There we go. I'm buying 50. Let's see what happens. All right, we're in it. Let's find some fun music here. Let's go with some this right here. All right. We'll do some of that for a little bit and we'll see how that goes. Yeah, the market's been interesting. March has been good. March has been good. We got CDTG starting to move in the correct direction. It's at 42 cents. All right. What else we got? Just so you guys know, I've got news going, so I'm watching for stocks that decide to throw out some news like let's see, MRAM Everspin advances high reliability X SPI MRAM portfolio with 256 megabyte density and production qualification milestone. Ooh, they're down about 2%. I will find another PDYN. By golly, I will. Oh, I wasn't even watching my little guy here. Let's see where it can go. I was not even paying attention. I got into it and I forgot. Debbie, you were supposed to warn me. You're supposed to tell me, Jrock, pay attention. You're in PTAI. You dopey dope. Oh man, I'm just all over the place. I need coffee. I'm goofy as hell today. Yeah, well, it's at its resistance. I got in just right below resistance. Just needs to break through and we'll get about 230. Right there, we'll get about 230. All right, let's call that the first one. And I have 50 shares, so what do I usually like to do? I like to take 25 off. I like to take half. So we'll go ahead and we'll put 25 right there. All right, there's 25 there at 230. All right, let's see if it can get there. And if it breaks that, got some resistance there. All right, we'll say right here. Whoops. Yeah, okay. Well, why not? Why not? That means I have 25 left. So let's do 15 here. And let's also put a little line right there. And these aren't guaranteed. These are just where I'm putting my stuff. So I don't ever believe in copy trading, and I wouldn't recommend you do that. Can you check iron? Is, if possible, take profit? Take the profit, right? Take the profit. You got to take profits. Guts to take profits. Iron, IREN. Come on, baby, get up there. Let's fix this so you guys can watch the show. All right. All right, it got to 219 and it's just kind of hanging out. This is a 30-minute. Let's put that back on a 1 minute. There we go. Makes it a little clearer for you. So iron here on the left screen, this is a 30-minute chart. Iron's already worked through all these targets from back in the day. 41, 44. You got lots of resistance at 42.28. Oh gosh, I keep doing that. Stop it, Jay. Man, coffee, baby. We need coffee. We need some of that coffee. My brain's not functioning. It's not used to not having coffee. Morning, fam. Hey, what's up, the one squib? How you doing? Remember, guys, the goal is 25,000 likes by the end of the live by 6:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, which means you guys have some time to work on, stretching, exercising your fingers for the tappy taps. Yep. All right. So iron, your first target is going to be about 42.24. Iron's a big float, 320 million. It's only done 623,000 in trading. It usually does, or typically does, around 38 million in per day. IBO is gonna pop. I sure hope so. I would love to see IBO pop. I would love it. How do you do likes on YouTube? I have no idea. Maybe the heart thingy. All right, let's see. Oh yeah. Look, you can do hearts and stuff. I'm on desktop, so yeah. Can you do Indo? What's up, Billy? Billy Hillen? Sure, I can. I can do a lot. I just can't multitask today. Indo, Energy Corp. So a lot of you are wondering what is going on, right? Like what is up? What is oil at? What is Brent at right now? Brent crude is at 83.38. It's up 2.43%. So it is going up. So that means oil going up. That means your gasoline prices are going to go up. And that means that yeah, energy stocks are going to go up. It's delayed, just so you guys know. That's kind of how the stock market works. It's a little behind. So let's say, you hear about something on the news about stocks, about oil, about energy. It'll shoot up just a little bit and then pump and then dump on you. So just be very careful when you do stuff like that. Um, you always take profits. See, I'm here. I'm not paying attention. I was profit here, and now I'm not. I have 50 shares. I wanted to sell 25 at 230. Didn't quite get there. Got to 219. It's kind of funky now. Something funky Medina, right? Okay, so INDO. You're below the 200 EMA on a 30-minute chart. I don't like that. Um, you spiked up in, looks like, after hours to 989 just the other day. So like what, Friday? I think that is Monday or Friday. What is that? Monday. The second, that was Monday. So on Monday, and then you did the pattern that I keep telling everybody to pay attention to, because it does happen all the time, and it happens on a micro scale. So if you zoom in on a micro scale, like 1 minute, you'll see this pattern a lot, and you'll see it pump, come down, pump up a little bit, and then come right back down. It's a standard operating procedure for this kind of crap to happen to us. All right. So you don't want this thing to break about, yeah, you don't want it to break about $4.23, because it breaks $4. Well, let's just call it 420. You don't want it to break 420. It breaks 420, 403 is on its way, and then below $4. In the opposite direction, you want it to break 518. That's going to be a real big pressure point, because that's where the 30-day EMA, 30-minute EMA is. Jesus Christ. See, hang on. I gotta get a Fresca. I'm sleeping. My brain is asleep. Doctor said no coffee. He didn't say no fresca. I need something, guys. I'm jonesing over here, you know? Okay. So 30-minute chart, 200-day EMA. There we go. So you wanted to break this little red line, 530. Okay. All right. Once it breaks 530, maybe it could get this red line here at 566. All right, this one right here. So that's what I would say on Indo. It may take a little bit, energy. When you let's say when you think energy is going to go up, it usually will. You gotta think it. You gotta think it. It's a energy thing. Here, hold on. Let's make this a little different. Hey, bro. What's up, bro? Oh wait, no, I'm sorry. Hey, chat. What's up, chat? Chat. Oh, sorry, chat. What's up, chat? Oh God. What is moving? IBIO or IBO is just sitting there. B hat. I'm moving a little bit. Already had one exciting stock today, so hey, that's good. Actually, let me turn this back around. I don't like the way I look like that. Makes me look really weird. Oh man, look at you guys. 3.6 on the like scale so far. This thing is just kind of playing with my emotions. Thank you guys. Thank you for hitting the like, the share, the follow, the naughty buttons. We'll see if TikTok lets us play around today. I'll try not to be a bad boy. Oh man, I'm so glad I told you guys, like, hey, don't forget to take profits on PDYN. Hit 1090 and then dropped all the way back down to 870s. Ooh. Actually below that. Dropped down to 812. That was a pretty easy catch too, guys. That was a pretty easy catch. PDYN was building on volume. It was building on volume. It had catalyst. The catalyst was that they did good. They're in income. They gave an update on what they thought is going to happen in 2026. MLEC, I don't know why that's on there. I guess it's slowly starting to move, but there's really no volume. It doesn't really do a whole lot of volume. Uh, it's been, I mean, shit, it's up $2.16 in pre-market. Okay, $1.13. She's fickle. MLEC. She's fickle. Let's put her on the screen here. Come on. I don't like this. I think I'm gonna take my profits next time I see green. Not liking the fact that it's not doing anything. Hey, what's up, salty dog? Good morning. Damn you, BTAI. Damn it, Bobby. Oh, IBO not doing jack squat. Needs to break. IBO needs to break 74 cents. know if you guys noticed, but the market's gotten kind of slow. It was doing all right early pre-market. It was doing all right. Things were kind of moving, and then now we're back to regular stinking slow poke here. What is this? Alto. Let's see. Anything up with Alto? LTO. 15 hours ago, Alto Ingredients supports fourth quarter and year-end 2025 results. That was 15 hours ago. Uh, so BBIO is going to be presenting March 11th. They're going to be presenting data from the phase 3 Fortify trial at the 2026 MDA Clinical and Scientific Conference. So they're going to be presenting their additional data from their phase 3 Fortify trial. So if you guys, you know, kind of catch what I'm throwing out there, I would take a look and see what that's all about. Because maybe, ALTO, maybe ALTO is gonna do something. I mean, it kind of did already 15 hours ago, right? So I would keep an eye on that. Morning, Thomas. Mr. J. Soul. What is Soul? Soul Tech Power? uh, I would keep an eye on ALTO. Nope. Soul Tech. Where is it? I don't see Soul Tech on here. I see Solve Energy. Yeah, I don't see Soul. Soul's not popping up. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what you're doing, man. I'm not seeing any of the stuff you're throwing out there. Soltech Power, yeah. Mm, all right, let's keep looking. All right. Ah, slow, very slow. What's up, Constantine? That's another thing that sucks about coming into it like, oh man, all right, let's go. I'm ready for Thursday. Let's go. Come on. And there's nothing going on. Then all your energy just goes boo. All right, let's see. ARAI. ARAI. So ARAI, only 8,000 shares traded so far on a float of 7 million, but they have white paper highlights key findings of live hospital deployment. Mm. That's what I see in the news. Three minutes ago. Let me see what this means here. Autonomous logistics deployment at Hancock Health demonstrates how workflow first design can safely extend staff capacity in active care environments. Oh, okay. March 5th. That just came out. An autonomous delivery network company built around patented AI arrival points. AI-powered arrive points today announced the publication of a new white paper, Autonomous System in Active Care Environments Insights from, yeah, okay. Key insights, sensor reliability, clear signals, connectivity. Hmm. It's up a little bit, but 3.81%. That's not much. That's not much. Come on, something pop up. I'm, I'm eager to see something pop up. Let's go. Come on, baby. Please, please pop up. Something pop up. All right, let's see. MDCX. Yeah, MDCX. D. Millenfeld. There's MDCX. Why? Medix Pharma expects end of phase 2 FDA meeting in first half of 2026. All right, so it's not right now news. They just expect BTAI. Ugh, nasty. It's taking $7 from me. Ugh. B hat, eager beaver, morning pinto. Eager beaver. That's right. That's right. I am an eager beaver. That's bad. That is bad. It makes you force entries. Being an eager beaver is very bad. It's no bueno. It's no powered by pinto beans. Mmm, beans. Hmm. Oh, beans. Oh, man. Mm-mm-mm. I don't know why I'm thinking about beans at freaking 4 in the morning. Jeez, something wrong with me. Lots of things wrong with me. So 170 is a pressure point for it. If I can break through 170 with good momentum, NDCX can catch some running. But it seems like, sheesh, 170 is really a hard spot for it to break. It's gotten to 175 before, like it did today, but that's because there are gaps right there. There is a gap right there. This is a 1 minute gap. So let's see a 30-minute here. 30-minute chart, say 170. Look at that. How many times are you gonna hit 170, 175? That's ridiculous. There we go. 204 is a gap. Another one. You got 175, 176. Once it busts through that, I'd expect somewhere at like 197. I'd say 197 is your first target on this one. TTD. TTD expensive. It's at $5 already. It's $30 stock. It's at $5.65, 22%. Love a great gap. I do, I do. Mm-hmm. Yeah. It's weak. Everything's weak right now. You got okay volume. It's triple its average already. Oh man. Can't get comfortable. I think it's because I'm jonesing for coffee. That or it's because it's my third Fresca. Oh, come on, IBO. Move. Called that one out pretty good yesterday. There you go. Come on, BTAI. Let's get that first target. Yeah, MDCX is just burying itself. This is exactly what's wrong with the world right here, all summed up in one stock. Can't trust it. You just can't trust it. Damn it, IBO. QNCX has been moving a little bit. It's got pretty good volume. 91 million. QNCX, it's a 12-cent stock. If you're looking for like two to 5 pennies, somewhere in there. Needs to break about 13, what is this? 1328, 1307. Needs to break 1328. QNCX. Ooh, you got here you go. Where'd it go? SMSI. Damn it, I gotta keep BTAI up here. Hey, look at that. Okay, we're profit. I think I'm gonna take my profits. I think I'm gonna just drop this down so we're not stuck holding 50 shares of something that ain't doing jack shit. Although the MACD is turning green. Oh man, screw it. Screw it. I need coffee. I'm too damn tired. My brain can't function. Ah, turn it up. Let's go. All right, so here you have SMSI starting to move a little bit. The volume's actually pretty good for, its average. Its average is only 159,000. It's already done 581,000, so that's pretty good. Smith Micro misses quarter Q4 the revenue expectation CO to step down. Oh, bad news. It's got bad news. It's got bad news, and it's already trying to fill this gap. I would stay away. I would stay away, SMSI. CO stepping down. Not a great fit. Come on, BTAI. Tell me I was right. Mm. gotta be careful with these stocks, guys. You just gotta be careful with the world. So the market's in fear. It's not in the worst fear I've seen it. I've seen it in some pretty bad fear. If you look at your phone, TPET making some moves, guys. TPET. TPET is moving. Hmm. It's not ripping, okay? But it's moving a little bit. It broke $1 again. Oh, I'm gonna post. I'm gonna pin that because everybody loves a good gap. Love a great or gap. Nothing moving. Bulls running with the bulls. Hey guys, if you haven't yet gone to jrockstocks.com, don't forget to do so. Come say hi. Come say hello. Come on, BTAI. Let's go. Are you guys as tired as I am? So many gaps, so little time. I've only got one gap. I could only. God, I need coffee. So many gaps, so little time. I've only got one gap, and there's plenty of time. uh, Come on. I mean, seriously, I've got like 3 scanners open, and none of them are doing jack. I got scanners, I got news, I got good music, Fresca. I mean, everything you needed for a good party. One of these days, we'll all get together. We'll have a little party. We'll have a little soiree. IBO trying? No, not yet. Not yet. Not really. Not really. Not yet. It'll be trying once it gets back over 75 cents. Then it'll be trying. Except no coffee, that's sacrificing. Yeah. Yep. Brother man Ed. Brother man Ed, you're right. So Alto is still trying. Again, keep an eye on it. Keep an eye on it. Not a whole lot of movement yet, but we got 182,000 shares traded so far. Alto Ingredients reports Q4 profit on improved crush margins, renewable fuel exports. Doo-doo-doo. Rusty Shacks. Thanks for following. I've been digging this stuff recently. This music right here, I've been digging the shit out of it. Aw, come on now. BTAI, why you gotta be so mean? Where do you go at 6:30? I think that's pretty personal information there, sir. No, I go to my uncle's. I take my kid to school, all that jazz, all that stuff. Yeah, if I feel like it, one and two. What's your social security? Debbie, careful, you're gonna get blocked. Not by me, by the system. Jesus. No, not blocked. You're gonna get restricted. I think that's the correct word. Oh, Debbie. Wow, Debbie's feeling feisty today. Private message me and I'll send it to you. I'm just kidding. I will not. Oh boy. Don't manipulators use pre-market to set up the regular trading? Yes, they do. Damn it. Yeah, they do. They really do. That is very correct. And I have brought that up before. I've sent that on the oh, H2O, HTTO, HTTO. There we go. We got a mover. We have some movement. Only 120,000 shares traded so far. What is the news? The news. Exclusive Fusion Fuel Green PLC wins 1.16 million in new LPG and engineering subcontract across 2 development projects in Dubai. Okay, there you go. You got some news. Let's see what HTOO is going to do here. Well, it's bumped its head at 465 before, so you can imagine where it's going to bump its head again. Let's just go ahead and do this, make it easy. So there's that. Okay, 508. Up 475. We're in line. We're in line. 507. So 508, 507. Gee, what do you think? Right? Let's put another line. Let's see what happens. All right, there's number two. So here's one. Here's two. Let's keep on going. Let's keep on twerking. Let's keep on twerking. Man, look how spot on that is. And up here, you got freaking 645. No. Looks about right. Looks about right. Right. Yep, that looks about right. Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm. Here's your third target. Oops, wrong button. There's your next one after that. So you're targeted out. You got 3 targets out there. I don't see any gaps that I'd like to fill. Um, oh man, you guys aren't warning me about my stuff falling and dying over here. Somebody needs to scream at me, please. Come on, BTAI, you dirty rat. You dirty rat. All right, so there you go. There's that lined out. I see it at 950, not financial advice. That's good. That's good you see it that high. It's awesome. What are you going off of? Yes, it did. It jumped off of a cliff. Thanks for telling me that now, the one squib. I mean, damn. You could have warned a brother. Yeah, that's not a healthy pattern. I'm taking my loss. Just gonna take it. There we go. And she's coming down more. Just gonna take my loss. I'm gonna get out of that bird. Well, damn it, Bobby. They can't all be good. They can't all be good. Nope. And it's actually the other way around. They can't all be bad. Half my ass off. My bad driving. Well, shit, man. God, you shouldn't be driving. You going to work? All right, I gotta change the music. There we go. We'll do this one, and then we'll do this one. Cue that. Multitasking, yes, sir. Stinking, the day is so slow. God. I want to make some money today. HTOO. She not looking happy right now. She pulled back on her volume weighted average price. Thanks, Buddha. I didn't jump in on HTO. What's up? Two down. What up? What up? Yeah, I'm still debating on some stocks here, some stacks, some stacks. Alto. Oh, I'm gonna drink like a gallon of coffee after the doctors. Oh man. Hey, two down. You did get PDYN though, right? You did catch that? Yeah, no. Oh God. No, I did not. Oh man. Oh, you got in at 4. I got you. Yeah, today's gonna teach me patience. I think that's what it's doing. I think today's te just teaching me patience. Guys, don't forget the like, the follow, the share, do all that fun stuff. Yep. Yes, sir. What's up, Brett? Yes, sir. I never realize how much I miss coffee when I don't have coffee and I can't have coffee. I mean, I have coffee, but I just can't have it. Damn it. Watch for this to be a fake out breakout. Your MACD's not looking very healthy. You're under the volume weighted average price. Yeah, I am a heart patient. I told the doctor my heart needs caffeine to function. And you know what they really say? They say everything in moderation. What is my heart rate at? Oh boy. 90 beats a minute. It's because I'm excited. They make a pill for that. The blue one? The blue one, huh? And B hat. B hat could just break that stinking, what is that, 474? If you just break 474, you might be able to get 5 or 6 cents out of her. Hmm. Oh, you were actually being serious. Yeah, I know. I know. They make a lot of pills for a lot of things. The bad part about me is I refuse to take a lot of pills for a lot of things. Oh, next diff. It's like everything's frozen. It's so weird. SMSI, I guess. It doesn't have good news. Yeah, the CEO stepped down. Bad, bad revenue. They missed Q4. Question is who isn't medicated anymore? Salty, I'm not medicated. I am not medicated. All I take every day is a baby aspirin. That's it. And that's only because I had a stroke. So my doctor says take that. Yeah. I mean, the only way I get medicated is, by partaking in my apple juice. But shit, I know exactly you know, what everything I know exactly what apple juice does to me. All right, come on, HTOO back above volume weighted average price. SMSI popped up for a minute. I swear, it's like people don't know. It's like people don't know that there's bad stuff in here, you know? Bad juju. Risky, that's pretty awesome. Good for your dad, man. My dad had a whole drawer of stuff he had to take. When I do my uncle's pills, I mean, he's got like 8 pills in there. Yeah. He is 82 though, so you know. I swear if he didn't fall, he'd be doing pretty good, but that fall got him. If you guys are watching SMSI, be careful. That thing is ready to take a dive. And I'm not talking about in the shallow end. TPET pushing 107. Let's go. IBO. IBO still not doing much, but I'm thinking it's going to wake up soon. It's the whole thought process. IBO. She waking up. Come on, IBO. Break through that 76 cents, you dirty dog. Ow. Oh, nice. Good. The one squib, good. Yeah. Yeah, my wife tells me that. Yeah. Debbie just sold. Good job, Debbie. Good job, Debbie. Make that money. What? You okay? Huh? All right. Yep. I my did have you guys noticed any bullying? Was there any bullying in the live stream? Did I bully anybody? Can anybody tell me why I just got a I just got a restriction saying that my live won't be like shared? What was the bullying for? There's no words in the music, so there's no bullying there. I didn't say anything about anybody. Oh, that is just not cool. That is just, oh man. They just make it so much fun on TikTok. Hey, Gonzo, thank you for the roses. Appreciate you. Bullying. Okay. All right. Well. All right. Well, if that's how TikTok feels, that's how TikTok feels. Again, guys, I highly recommend YouTube. See the rules. Why am I? No, that's the wrong button. I'm trying to appeal it. I don't see an appeal button. So insanely annoying. Content quality. No violations have been detected during this live. So okay. Ah, I do. I'm sure I have an admirer for sure. Somebody loves me out there, huh? Can you believe it? Boy. Even the music's like chill and good and relaxed and everything's fine. And TikTok just wants to mess with me. That's cool. Come on, IBO. Let's go, baby. Break through. Break through. Yes, Cree. They just let you on. What happened? What had happened was, oh, PDYN. Is PDYN moving again? What is PDYN doing? Where you at? Let's see. Why is there it is. There she is. 882. She's not really doing much. I just cannot believe that they said harassment and bullying. I would really, really love to see where. If they would just show me where. Was it because I was talking about her ass? Harassment? Because I said I'm a beast? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know where we're going with this. I'm looking, guys. We got IBIO. We got HTOO up here. It is above volume weighted average price now, so it did a good job. It's back up. IBO is coming back down. Hit 78 cents. Just couldn't keep it going. Unfortunately, I would love to play Mobix again. Let's see what she does. Caleb, I would keep an eye on MOBX. I would. Still. I bullied HTOO. I did. Did I? Maybe. I don't know. I don't know. Good music though. This feels right. This feels right. The word for the day is bananas. This is just crazy. Bananas. Bananas. HTOO, IBO. Like I said, I would stay away from SMSI because SMSI, the CEO's leaving because the Q4 is bad. They missed. You got TPET at 107, 108. And there's nothing really moving. Come on, IBO. Yeah, 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 yeah. Go, go, go. I would love to see IBO back over $1. Cree. Yes. Yes, Cree. Very much so. Peaches. Peaches, 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 peaches. All right. Let's do this. Let's just so we can have some fun because it's really boring right now. How many? How many of you think IBO will hit $1 again today? Put it in the comments. If you think it'll hit $1, put a 1. If you don't, put a 2. I like where your head's at, Pinto. I like it. I've said it before and I think I'll say it again, but man, the market, I don't remember a Thursday this slow for a really long time. MOBX coming back up, ladies and gentlemen. MOBX. 2 down. I saw that. Yep. Let's go. MOBX, we got some targets on the screen here for you. I want to play. Oh, yeah. Yes, there we go. Read my comment. I see your comment. Yes. You think it's going to go to Juan 20. GXAI, your favorite brute. Debbie says, yep. Debbie thinks IBO is going to go to 120. 120. 120. Oh, you know how, girlfriend? Oh, honey, you need to do the nail. Is that pretty good? What do you guys think? I got to work on my accents. You know, when I get older, I'm going to get back into doing the acting thing again, acting modeling thing. I'll be like the hottest 50-year-old you've ever seen. GXAI. All right. IBO, you stinker. 81.66 back down to 76 cents. GXAI. Okay, let's try that again. GXAI. Come on. There we go. GXAI, look at that. Previous targets. These are previous targets. This is a 1-minute chart. Boom. We got 152, nailed that. Boom. We got 197, nailed that. Next one is 223. GXAI. Beautiful, beautiful. It's a beautiful morning. Where would you like to enter MOBX, if at all? I would wait to see it get over $1. The dollar is a psychological level of resistance. Okay, it's currently sitting at 98, 96 cents. If it gets rejected by $1, it's not going to go any higher because it's going to come back down. Now it'll probably come back down to volume weighted average price, in which case then that's where I would probably enter. I would probably be in around somewhere around that volume weighted average price. Currently the bulls are in charge, which is fantastic, but you don't have a whole lot of volume pumping through its veins right now. Well, actually you got a good amount of volume pumping here. Let's see where this one stacks up. 679,000 on a sub-dollar stock. That's, that's pretty good volume. But yeah, I would personally I would hold off until it drops back down to volume weighted average price or just above it, maybe 86 cents. And then try to catch that run back to $1 or wait for it to break $1. So you're either playing the breakout or you're playing the VWAP test, the volume weighted average price test. So that's two different styles of trading. But you got to stay nimble. You got to stay quick. God, I love listening to this stuff in my truck. It might be a little too much for you guys, though. What do you think? Do you guys like the music, or YouTube? You don't get music, but TikTok, do you guys like the music? You're welcome, Caleb. You're welcome. Keep it. Okay. You like it? Okay. Debbie likes it. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. Yes, the one squib. Rock on. Yeah. I am Jim, so it helps. Ah, nice. There we go. Sweet. Yeah, sometimes I love I love guitar riffs. I love drum solos, like, and this is literally everything that I could ever want out of music. Come on, MOBX. Let's go, baby. GXAI still pushing, still trying to get over that $2. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I'm very timid right now. I'm like not I'm being very patient and just waiting and not trying to force the buy-in, not trying to force the entry, not pushing too hard here. You guys are doing good. We got 15,000 likes. We're at 518, so we have plenty of time to get that. There's your dollar, so that's good. Come on. GXAI breaking down pretty good. I might partake a little bit. I think I might partake a little bit here. How much do I want? What do I want? It's a dollar. No, I don't want 500. What are you doing? How firmly do I believe that it's going to go up to that 112? Technically, it's a breakout, so it's got volume. It's getting a lot of action right now. There's a lot of volume going in there. Doesn't want to buy me in. It's okay. Why don't you jump in IBO? Because I'm in IBO. I'm just waiting. Yeah, I don't know. I'm out. I'm not gonna do that one. I gotta use the restroom. I'll be right back. Let's see. Hang on. Let me put that on the screen here. All right, there we go. There. I think everybody can see that. Yeah. Restroom break. Be back in a minute. Oh man, you guys can't see that. YouTube can't see it. I got to do it on YouTube. Right here. There we go. All right. And boom. There we go. Restroom break. Be back in a minute. Let's make it a little smaller. Sheesh. There you guys go. Okay. All right. Be right back. All right, all right, all right. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. Oh, that was good timing. Oh, whew. Well, first off, I got to take this thing off here. Yep, that thing got to go away because it's no longer there. Gotta get rid of this now because I'm back. And I'll get rid of this one because I'm back. All right. Hey, guys. How are we doing? Do, 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 do. Let's see what we can find. Everybody's still there, huh? Good, good. You guys are awesome. All right, so there's MOBX. I'm glad I stayed out of it because it didn't really do much. Yep. Could be setting up for an inverted saggy booby pattern. These are perky right here. Those are perky. We'll call these perky mountains. How about that? Perk ups. Oh man, I just got back. The one squib. Come on now. All right, Fred's here. Hey guys, GXAI cup and handle pattern. Working on that cup and handle right now. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna preload. I'm preloading. Let's see if it works. So I'm in at 190 on GXAI. Let's see if this cup and handle works out and it gets my second target here. Let's see. Come on, cup and handle work out. There's your cup, there's your handle, and it needs to just break this plane right here. 204. Come on, baby. Push on through. Jude, IBO. I think it's got a chance. I think it's got a chance. Currently, it's struggling, but I think it's got a chance. It's been hovering literally all morning between 65 and 75. Come on, baby, break on through. Break through that. Be a cup and handle. Be a beautiful cup and handle for me. Let's go. For those of you that don't know what a cup and handle is or looks like, it's right here. This is your cup. That's your cup. That's your handle. And boom, this is what it should do. Oh, almost. Let's go, baby. Just as I was talking about it. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Come on, baby. Get up there. Come on, get that second target, guys. Don't forget to take profits. Take profits. Don't forget to take profits. Take your profits when you can. Take your profits. Come on, baby. Get up there. All we need is 3 more pennies. Come on, baby. 3 more pennies. Is 3 more pennies worth it? I've got 50 shares of it. So each penny it goes up, I make what? 5 cents? There we go. There we go. We just scalped some profit, guys, right there. Let's go. Booyah. That was easy. That was easy. And that was easy. And that's why spotting a pattern on the chart, that's why spotting a pattern on the chart is very important because sometimes they work out very well. You know, that was easy. Cool. So we just made a little bit of profit here on GXAI. Beautiful cup and handle pattern that worked out. Just had to break through this 205. It did it. That's how you do it right there. You don't preload like I did, but you can. It's just, it's a very risky game to play. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So now that we got number two, we gotta find out what number three is gonna be, right? So where's number three for GXAI? Oh man, IBO back down to 75 cents, back down to the volume weighted average price on IBO. I'm gonna put it over here because look at that, double topped at 81 and came back down. Oh, sorry, you guys don't have to listen to Polish music. Hang on. Hang on, let me preload some other stuff in here for you. Here we go. I love that stuff, man. It helps me to keep my Polish alive. My listening to Polish music helps me to keep my English, my Polish, yeah, going. Oh, that's a bad sound for IBO. Shit. 73 cents. Come on. Look at this. Bah humbug. All right, let's find another spot here for GXAI. 260s. Yeah, all right, there it is right there. That was actually very easy. That was actually very easy there. There's your third target. Actually, that's your fourth target. Holy crap. It's pretty awesome. I like when things work out like that. This is also why I tell people to, if the crap on your charts doesn't bother you, keep it on there. I mean, you charted it before. If you got your horizontal line, your price level there and it's below it, you don't have to go back and look, hey, where did I chart this thing before? Yeah, that's pretty much right there. So drop that down to about 256, 257. It'll probably get 260. People will start selling around there, and then you'll be okay. So there we go. Is Polish hard to learn? I'll learn. That would be awesome. I start speaking Polish to my kids. Polish is a difficult language, Slavic. So like I could understand certain things Russian people say. Czech. Planning to sell at 263. So Pinto, I like where your head's at, but you got to realize people are all thinking they're going to be selling at 263. So that's why like 257 probably a better idea because what if it never gets to 262? What if it hits 263 on the dot and you can't get out? You sacrifice a little so you could gain a lot, you know? Oh, another Polish song. Hang on. There we go. All right, all right, all right. Let's go, guys. Hit the like, the follow, the share. Look at that. We're at 20,000 likes. We've got literally almost a whole hour to go. So we're doing great on the likes. Maybe today we'll hit 30,000. Who knows? However much you guys want to tap, tap, tap. Come on, GXAI. All right, IBO. You guys heard that little ding? IBO's back at 74 cents. Man, the system that I'm working on is it's so difficult. It's like I wish to God that this would get easier, but it's really tough to get through it and pay attention to it and, know what to put in there because the algorithms are what I'm really trying to get around. I'm trying to figure out the algorithms and I'm trying to put that in a system that catches a preload before it happens. There we go. What else is moving? This can't be it. PMEC. PMEC is starting to rally a little bit. Let's put PMEC over here. Here's PMEC. What's the news? Holding secures 33 million in multi-year university service contracts. Okay, interesting. That's a bad sound. We don't like that sound on IBO. All right, come on. Come on, GXAI. And then here's my extended target on this thing. So this extended targets, the way you got to look at those is like, all right, look, it's already blown through a lot of the bulls here. The bulls have just blown out the bears and they're using up their funds and they're pushing it up and algos. This was an algo push. Algorithms help this right here. I don't see any gaps. Ooh, you know what? Let me check a 4 hour gap. See if there's a 4 hour gap anywhere. Dun, 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 dun. But do you see, Pinto, do you see why I said, like, hey, it's a good idea to take your stuff a little sooner? And the reason I say that, I'm not telling you to sell. I'm not telling you to, you do you. But if you look, it hit 265 here. It hit what was that? 264 there. Over here already it hit 251. All right. What else? It's only hit 296 one time up here. It's getting stuck at 240. It's having a hard time getting to that 250. What's your average on IBO? 98 cents from yesterday. Yep. Yep. Uncle had me do shit. I didn't get to sell it before the day ended. Sometimes it happens. Whatever. Ah, it's tough taking care of your uncle. It's tough sometimes. Taking care of uncle and trading does not work sometimes. He hollers at you, you gotta go. Yeah, see again right here, 247, 250 keeps getting stuck there. Over here, you had some resistance right here. Support, sorry. You had support here. You have support right around that 57. Yep. And for the new people in here that have no idea how to find these levels, I mean, I've got on the website, there's a video how to find support and resistance levels. And then after doing it a while, you'll start to realize like, hey, okay, the way that this stock is moving, it should be able to jump this many pennies. Or, you start realizing the measurements in your head instead of putting them on the screen. So I don't see any gaps. 1 hour gap maybe. No, there's nothing. There's nothing. No gaps. No gaps. No gaps. Wouldn't that be awesome? 750? Woo! But yep. All right. So there's GXAI all lined out for you guys. Gave you the top target. If it can break this 57, it might be able to get to 92. But I mean, it needs to break on good volume. What else is there? Is there anything else moving? How's PMEC doing? No, not yet. Yep. You've got a little pennant here. Typically what'll happen is it'll bounce, but this one doesn't have the volume to do it. It's 950,000 shares traded so far. Average volume 64,000. Free float 7.04 million. So I'd probably like this closer to 2 million when it's if it wants to. If it wants to. Again, you guys are listening to Polish music. No one's telling me. Hey. All right, NAGE Cree. NAGE. Sorry, I was thinking. Let's see. I thought I put it out here. I could have sworn that was on the watch list a little bit ago. Could be wrong. Oh no, it was NGNE or NG. Yeah, NGNE that was up on the watch list, not NAGE. Well, it's coming. It's curling around for you. It keeps using the 20 EMA as support. Double bottom on IBO. Cool. I like that. Double bottoms are good. Who doesn't like a bottom? I'm just kidding. Watching SOC. Cree says peaches. Hey, everybody loves a good peach. And Georgia peaches. Ooh-wee. Let's see. 0.72. All right, come on, IBO. You can do it. But look at GXAI. Look at the momentum had taken a break. You guys see that, right? You can see, and that's why I said, like, hey, if you're feeling a little hesitant about this thing, because it did run. I mean, it ran pretty good from under $1.30. Come on, IBO. 8. Come on, get 81. Let's go. It's trying again. This is a good sign. So this is a downtrend. You've got a little doji here. This is a little doji. It's indecision. You got a top wick, bottom wick. You got a mediocre body. It's not a model. Let's just put it that way. But this is usually a reversal kind of play. You just got to see what it's been bouncing off of. Well, it's been bouncing off the green line. So the green line is now its resistance. It breaks through that, and you'll have your 57. All right, let's see. NAGE. So yeah, NAGE. It does look interesting. 30 minutes rounding up, using the 20 EMA as support. Thank you for sharing the live. Appreciate you. All right, good. So there's your reversal, and you might be able to get about 20 cents there. Let's just play. Let's just play around a little bit. Make a couple more bucks. All right. Make a couple more bucks. Come on, baby. Be that reversal I was looking for. Oh, boy. This is a good song. That's a freight. See, that's a fake out. That is a fake out right there. Big top wick. They call that a gravestone. It's a gravestone doji. Let's see if it holds the blue line like it did here. If not, then I just gave back a couple bucks. Don't do it. Don't you do it. Come on, bulls. Step on in. Step on up. Pick back up. Yep. All right. That is a breakdown. That is a breakdown. Nope. 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 No, thank you. Bye bye. Nope. No, thank you. And this is a head and shoulders pattern right here. That's a head and shoulders pattern. It's disguised, so it's harder to see. Oh, I chickened out so fast there. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. I chickened out there. I'll take my little $2 loss. No problem. Good. Heart rate's still normal. Didn't spike. Oh boy. All right, you got yourself a little double bottom on MOBX. Your breakout is going to be about 105, like it was before. My opinion on GXAI, it's probably going to come down to the volume weighted average price. Or it could be completely calling me a liar. It could be. IBO sitting at 77 cents. Slowly moving up. IBO so close. So close. Want to touch the hiney. Ooh. What's up, Brent? Yes, sir. MOBX on the screen. CCHH. I can get rid of these now. There's just too many lines on this one now. All right, there she is. Oh, she pretty. She's so pretty. CCHH. This one's coming down to the volume weighted average price. If it breaks the volume weighted average price, it's going to come down to this 197, $2 mark, probably break through. Just watch that volume. You notice the volume coming out. Volume's coming out. People are losing interest. It's too expensive. That kind of thing. Gave back a little bit of money. Didn't want to, but I did. Oh well. Too bad, so sad. CCHH, not a thing at the moment. You know, this one played pretty good a little while ago. All right, pushing 79, pushing that 80 cents again, IBO. Let's go, IBO, let's go. 80 cents. Come on now. Man, oh man, look at that. We're at 22,000 likes. We're almost at 30,000 likes, guys. You guys are doing great. Oh, you are doing great. We're going to have another live tomorrow. Yes, yes, we are. 82 cents. Come on, get up there. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. Let's go. PMEC. Did it do anything? Did it wake up? Let's put PMEC over here. It's, nah, still looks weak. What it'll probably end up doing is jumping between the yellow line and the red line. It'll probably just bounce. Just bounce with me. Bounce with me. Come on. Break 86. Come on, break 86. Get through it. Come on, baby. Get through it. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. There's 87. Oh. Oh. I know I'm weird, guys. I'm sorry. I need caffeine and I don't have caffeine and it makes me very tired and kind of groggy, if you will. Kind of groggy. But we're never going to survive unless we get a little crazy. Come on, IBO 88. Let's go. We're almost there. We're almost there. Come on, baby. Let's go. Isn't that crazy? Debbie, I like it. Here comes 120. Let's go, 120. Oh, boy. Time to stand up. I think I'm going to stand up. My head hurts a little bit. Oh, PMEC. Why you got to be so mean? Boom. Shakalaka. Ugh. Stretch. Oh, jeez. Oh. How you doing? What's up, guys? All right. Hey, Cardinal. What's up, man? Thanks for the hearts, me. Appreciate it. When would I buy into IBO? When it was around the volume weighted average price. So here you got another. It's the same thing. You're either waiting for a pullback to the volume weighted average price, or you're looking for a breakout. Breakout would be about 87 cents. Good job, Debbie. Get it, girl. You get it. Oh, it's fun to see like where people come from. So where's everybody from? There's 68 of you in here. Where's everyone? Where is everyone from? Anyone that can type. Not people driving. If you're driving, don't put it in there. Massachusetts, let's go. Florida. Iowa. All right on, Kansas. Let's go, Mississippi. Mississippi. Philadelphia, Ohio, Wisconsin. Let's go. Let's go. We got Atlanta. We got Kingston, Ontario. We got Houston. Nice. Let's go. We got every state in here. It's pretty awesome. I love it. I love it. Indiana. Whose song is this? Whose song is this? This song is great. This is called Real Big Fish. You like it, huh? I love it. This is great. Australia. Sweet. I always pictured myself with an Australian girl. I did at some point. But, it didn't work out. So I always wanted like a Australian badass like surfer girl, but it's okay. I'll play it while I'm driving. Yeah, dude, it's a great song. It's a great song. That one, that one and the beer song. Hey, thank you for the ice cream. Appreciate you. I've got a I've got an amazing wife. She's great. She's great. She just needs to work on her Australian accent. Just kidding. Houston, what is up? Why is the market so weird and slow right now? Come on. Give me something to get excited about. Here's the other song I like from them. I mean, they have a lot of good songs, but these are the two that I like to listen to in the car. SOC. SOC is picking up some volume. Finally, 421,000 shares traded. Float's bigger than you'd like it to be. It's 122 million shares. And its average volume is 8 million. So it's not yet, the volume isn't there. So, I mean, me personally, I just watch it. Just watch it. Volume picks up and starts rallying on SOC, then I'd touch it. Also look to see, is there catalyst? Is there some sort of news or anything? Doghouse if she heard that one. Nah. Faux show. Come on, IBO. Get over 90 cents again. We all want you over $1, damn it. Woo-hoo-hoo. Market opens in 30 minutes. Actually, 29 minutes now. Guys, market opens in 29 minutes. How did GXAI do after that, after me getting out? So this is a 5-minute chart. Looking at a 5-minute chart, this is awesome. This is a reversal right here. But what did it look like? And what did I tell you guys? I said it's coming down to the yellow line, and that's what it did. So downtrend, downtrend, downtrend came down to the yellow line, broke back up because $2.10 is what was that? 212 was where it wanted to stop. Actually, I think I was right. 210. Yeah, 210. Maybe this is hell. All right, let's put IBO on here. Let's root for it. Remember, the more you tap the screen, the higher the stock will go. So tap the screen. The more you share the live, the higher the screen will go, or the stock will go. Sorry. Let's go. IBO, 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 IBO. It's like I'm saying Rufio from Hook. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Uh, so later on the blog, look for I've put something together for the stocks that I think are going to move because of what Trump said. Trump was in tech meetings yesterday. He was in tech meetings, so I put something together. I'll put it on the blog. So if you guys aren't yet signed up for that, I'd recommend the watch list blog. If you don't want to do the Discord thing, you don't have to. There is a separate option just for the blog. All right, look at that, guys. We hit 25,000. Woohoo! And we still have time to spare to get to that 30 if you want to. If you want to, you don't have to, but if you want to, that's great. The 25,000, there you go. It just ensures that I'm going to do a live tomorrow. Angela Langley. Hey, what up, girl? Thank you for the hearts, me. Judd, thank you for the hearts, me. Did I say that right? Judd, Jude, Jude, Judd. Perfect, perfect. Yo, Terry Holly's in the house. What's up, Terry? Talented man. He can sing. He can play guitar. He can paint, and he's a pretty good dude. Go check him out, guys. I think he's trying to get his. We got him up to 10, I believe, when he was on here more. He was my first moderator. So what's he at now? Let me see. What are you at now, Terry? 12,000? Yeah, 12,000 followers. Let's go. Go over there and follow him. He's a good dude. Don't take any trade advice from him though, okay? He doesn't give trade advice. It's it's not financial advice ever. Come on, IBO. Stop toying with my emotions. All right. GXAI, if it bounces off the yellow line, you've got a double bottom. If it goes through the yellow line, you've got failure. And that's what I would say. I found a Green Bay Packers sign in my garage. I'm going to send to you. Awesome, man. That'd be great. Thank you. That would be so sick. I could put it here in my office. Oh, I just noticed that's a little crooked. What the heck? I'm horrible when it comes to it has to be straight, can't be crooked. That's one thing I can't stand. Can't stand crooked shit. Whew. For real, IBO is playing with our feelings. It really is. And we're switching gears. Debbie, she's cooling off. She is cooling off. But, I'm expecting something to happen at market open. I am waiting. I am waiting. I am waiting. It's been hard. The watch list has been tough to find stocks that are actually going to do something the next day instead of just sit there and do nothing, which it's been tough. See, I'm glad I didn't get into MOBX. where I was thinking because I was waiting for a breakout and it kind of did and didn't. Come on, IBO, let's go, baby. Inverted head and shoulder pattern right here. You got your shoulder, you've got your head, you've got your other shoulder. Come on now. Just break that plane right there. GXAI looks like it's breaking down. Market opens in about 22 minutes. You know, I'm going to talk about something very important. Trading is tough. Trading is mentally draining, and you know, if you're not good between the ears, it's gonna be rough. It's gonna be rough. Um, and I mean, you know, even things like depression set in. So, you know, so you guys got to make sure that, you know, if you're having a bad day, just get away, step away from the computer. Don't trade. Take a break. Don't trade. It's very important. You know, this mental health thing that the world's going through, do I think it's real? Yes, I think it's real. Mental health is a problem. But I also think it's the way that the way that 80s kids were raised is different than the kids that were raised in the 90s. Is different than the kids that were raised in the 2000s. And I think that we've gotten very soft. I'll say it, you know, some people might like me for it, some people might not, but I think the world's gotten very soft. The way that you can discipline your child. I don't mean beat the shit out of them, obviously. That's horrible, and I please don't do that. Um, but you know, a spanking is okay. I got the shit beat out of me as a kid. It is what it is. But it did teach me it taught me a lot of things. It built my character, so to say. So, I think the world's gotten a lot softer. The brain of these kids, their self-confidence, the willingness to stand up for themselves, you know? So, again, just if you're having a rough day, if your trades are shitty, you're freaking you're missing. Yes, kids need more backbone for sure. You're missing trades. You're not doing good. You stubbed your toe when you woke up and got out of bed. You know, I don't know. You thought it was a fart, but it had a surprise in it. You know, whatever bad is going on, you're gonna carry it into trading. You're gonna screw up your trades, and you're gonna have a worse day. So just know that. That's a very important thing I want you guys to understand. Okay, so there you go. Soft times make soft men make hard times make hard men make soft times. I don't know what I made this morning wasn't very soft. Let's see. As a teacher, I wholeheartedly agree. Kids need more backbone. Yep. Yes, we grew up in a different generation. Yes. This generation expects everything right now. Like now, I want it now because they can get everything now. I mean, shit, there's no reason for you to actually ever leave your house. You know, with AI, with what DoorDash, with you can get everything delivered. Amazon, literally, I order because we have an Amazon here in Nevada. Literally, I order something, it's here like within a couple hours. Sometimes you have to wait a while, but it's crazy. It's crazy, and that's another thing. MOBX is moving. Okay, that's another thing. It's like that. There you go. So MOBX finally broke through that 102. Almost got to the 112, the target. There's your targets right there. This headache will go away soon. To trade, you guys, you have to be You have to be able to control yourself and your emotions. Check out AEHL. It's starting to get a little bit of volume. I'd watch it today. Hi, double yolk. What up, double yolk? Hey, J-Rock, what's your favorite kind of dog? Right now, I love pit bulls. Um, we've been adopting them since 2006. So every time we lose one, we go to the Animal Foundation and we get another dog, another pit bull. Yes, I did two down. I said AEHL. Slowly moving, volume slowly increasing. Just keep an eye on it. Ah, thank you. I appreciate that. I do my best to be the best person I can be, and sometimes I fall apart, but I pick myself back up. Let's see. Double yoke, surviving. Not bad, not bad. My Basset Hound's pregnant. She's in pain. Yeah, she's a pain in the ass right now. CXAI. CXAI? Isn't that crazy? CXAI and GXAI, right? They bounce off of each other. That's for sure. All right. So here, that's a nice little curl. Curled back up from that 19-cent drop. So I would watch for this thing to break 25 cents. It breaks 25 cents. You might have yourself sitting closer to that 30. I wouldn't get too excited. Doesn't look like it moves a whole lot. Oh, hey, it's kind of funny. So there's a hotel called the East Side Cannery. IBO doing it. Come on, baby. Let's go. Let's go. IBO's doing it. It's at 87, 88 cents right now. Let's go, IBO. The East Side Cannery, uh, they imploded it this morning. I woke up and obviously, I forgot that they were going to be imploding it. So I hear just like, I'm like, what the hell is that? I'm like, are we being attacked? So I go outside, I open my door, I go outside, and I'm just like looking around. I'm like, everything seems normal. What was that? So then I start looking, and people on that neighbors app, man, I swear to God, they're just nuts. Oh my God, we're being attacked. No, we're not. No, we're not. It's the cannery. They imploded the cannery. It was planned. Oh God. Let's go, IBO. Seriously. Seriously, let's go, IBO. Push it, baby. Let me play a song for this one. Let's see. Do I want this one? I think I like this one for this song. M Tech. Terry, you guys start coming on here more, man. All right, guys. Market opens in 14 minutes. That's why I got darker because the lights dimmed or actually turned off. It just reminds me if I get in a conversation, I try sometimes I have to take my grandson to school. Yeah, he's growing up, man. He's getting bigger. It's so cool, isn't it? All right, let's see where MTech can go. Let's map it. 7 already. Yeah, my little guy turns 2 on the 15th. On the 15th of March, my little guy turns 2. Yep, my wife's birthday on the 9th. She turns 21. Yeah, isn't that great? Isn't that great? Mm. I got myself a little hottie. All right. How is Little Jet doing? He is great, man. He is freaking a tank. He's in the 98th percentile for weight. He's in like the, I want to say 87th percentile for height. He's not even two, and the pediatrician said that he looks like a 3-year-old. Yep, good old Polish genes there. Got to just keep feeding him. It's gonna be expensive. It's gonna be expensive. 258 on MTech. I say 258 on MTech. I'd say that's a good spot. That's a good first target on MTech. God, I can't get my fingers to put it there. There you go. There's your first target, MTech. I'd look at what the catalyst is. What are they talking about? MTech receives first substantial production order for Jupiter drone systems for loitering munitions manufacturer. Yeah, crazy dog. Oh, you're crazy. I don't know if you guys heard, she just ran right into the wall. Yes, Richard, definitely football. I think he's gonna be a linebacker for the Packers one day. My other kid's gonna be a receiver. He wants to be a quarterback, but right now they're not letting him play quarterback because he's too little for that. And they've got like I think like 13-year-olds for that right now. He's 11, so not much going on there. But he can catch the ball and he could run fast. He's he'll be good. He'll be good. Crazy dog. All right, here we go. 238. Come on, M Tech 239. Let's go. Get that 256, 257. IBO. Let's go, man. Get up there. Giddy up. Debbie. Come on now. You know better. Hey guys, if you haven't yet, go to jrockstocks.com. That's my channel. That's my website. That's what it is. jrockstocks.com. I also do live stream simultaneously on YouTube. I hope you have good news for this quiet market. Yes. And like I said, I'm going to be putting stuff on. Look at that. Just hit the first target. Here's your second target on this one. 292. That is your second target. I like this song right here. Here, I'm going to play this song. Thank you for the corgi. Appreciate you. What website for you? So jrockstocks.com. That's the website. That is the website. That's where you get the watch list. That's where you can become a member. You can sign up for the watch list, just the watch list, or you can sign up for the Discord access as well. It is very inexpensive. I keep it that way because I want people to learn, and I don't want to be one of those guys that I got to meet back in the day. I could have seen that. Sorry. No, you're good. You're good. Come on, there's 80. Let's go. 83, 85. Let's go. 92. Come on. Come on, let's get that. Don't forget, guys, take your profits on the way up. That is how you make money in this game. Take the small profits because the small profits will make you lots of money in the end. Man, we hit 90. We hit 90 on IBO and it's coming back down. Get back up, you dirty dog. We are pretty much right in that area where the market makers can now affect the stock, make it go down, make it go up, you know. Well, there you go. We hit 99, 299 on MTech. All right, your next target on this one, it's not going to be too crazy. I'd say about 327, no, 337. Let's see. Let's see if I got that right. I think this one's a 37. Let's see if I got that right. I'm going to go ahead and put this up here just so you guys can see. All right, now I'm going to go back to my 30-minute chart. 30-minute chart. Drop this down here. It's a good song, by the way. I like this song. Look at that. What did I tell you? I told you it's a $3.37 stock. Look right there. 337. You've got support, support, support. Broke through support back up. Broke through the resistance at 337. Look at that. Look at that. Man, how do I do it? Yes, Zach. So you go on jrockstocks.com. When you're on there, you go under the Learning Center. Under Learning Center, you'll see rules. So you learn those. That is literally what you need to focus on. That was a good call out, Terry. Good call out. Um, Definitely go in there, memorize those rules, man. That will save your butt. Look at that again right here. Look, boom. Telling you. 37 and you have a gap? What? You have a gap at 427. There's your gap at 427. I might jump into this at some point here. Play with it a little bit. It's too late for me to do it now. I will not do it before market opens. That was a good call out by Terry there. What time frame would you recommend trading on? So trade on the 1 minute and do your levels off of a 30. Depending on what you're going for. If you're going for scalping, off of a 30. If you're going for swing trades, go off of a 4-hour chart. And what you'll notice is like, oh, why don't I just go on the daily? Well, the daily doesn't show you the after hours or the pre-market. You see that? No after hours, no pre-market, no nothing. Big difference. All right, we got 303 on MTech. Hit 303, dropped down to 280. This right now for me, this is a no-go for me right now because of how close it is to market open. We've got 5 minutes till market open. We hit 32,000 likes. That is freaking rad. Thank you for the hat and mustache. Appreciate that. Oh man, that's awesome. Yay, we got Zach with the money gun. Awesome, thank you. Yeah, let the market open and the dust settle. That's right. Brett Baker, IBO. IBO is having a rough go. It is finding new. It is doing okay. So it is doing better. IBO is doing okay. It is starting the stair steps back up. Come on, baby. 305. We can do it. Watch your likes go again. Yep. The likes are doing good. The likes are doing good. You guys are doing awesome. Thank you very much, by the way. I appreciate you guys' time. There's 314. Come on. Hopefully some of you guys caught PYDN. PDYN. There we go. PDYN. That was a good one this morning. I only on the Discord, I only alerted one stock this morning. Or did I? Did I alert one or two? PDYN. Okay, I said ELPW is trying for 0.185. I decided to just not do anything. It's at 9 cents right now. When I alerted that, it was at around 14 cents. So it looked like it was moving. Then I did read that they did that they authorized a 1-for-20 split. That'll happen before the 9th. Like that, we hit 316. So at market open, what you need this to do is it's probably, again, probabilities are out there, right? But this probably will come down maybe to the blue line, 242, and then it'll creep back up. And it might very well tap that gap right here at 427. It's a long way to go. Take your profits on the way up. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Yada, yada, yada. Look at that. We're at 35,000 likes, guys. Good job. Your fingers gotta hurt. Take that, TikTok. Throw a restriction out for bullying when I didn't bully a thing. I didn't even talk bad about a stock. That was just weird. I think they like messing with me. I think that's what they do. That was easy. Yes, it was. Yes, it was. You know what? Don't forget to take profit. The people on YouTube, whenever I put this thing up, they get to hear a blowhorn. You know, like when a hockey player scores a goal. Let's go. Oh man. And that was easy. That was easy. You guys are rallying. I hope you guys enjoyed this live as much as I did. Um, Again, come back, check me out tomorrow. We'll see what I could make happen tomorrow. And yeah, like I was shadow banned or something. You were shadow banned? Some of my videos and had 0 views for a whole day. Well, I I shared that same experience not long ago. Let's see. Oh, I got to do this before market opens here. I got to go on TikTok. I got to show you guys. Make sure you're following the right guy because there is a lot of bad people out there. All right, so here is TikTok. Okay, so here we're gonna type in Jrockstocks. Look at this. Look at all these that pop up. Look at all these. PJ Trades, really? Uh-uh. This guy's a fake. This guy's a block all these guys. If it's not me, that's me right here. This is me. Jrockstocks. Just like that. No other way. Okay? You click on that. Look, Jrockstocks, Jrock. I have 27,000 followers. It's actually like 29 and like 50. Market's open now. Make sure you guys follow me, not any other Jrockstocks. All right, guys. Thanks for hanging out. Hope you have a great day, and I will see you guys tomorrow. I'm doing like with the help of truck handle is vibrating a lot, so I set my finger on the screen. That's funny. Thanks, man. We hit 37,000 likes. You guys are great. You guys are awesome. Jrockstocks, Jrockstocks, Jrockstocks. Let's go. We'll do the little ending video here. Oh yeah. Thanks, guys. Thanks for hanging out. Peace out. And my YouTube peeps, thank you guys very much for hanging out. Remember, if you're hungry for more winning plays, smash that like, hit subscribe, share it with someone who needs to stop bag holding and start making some money. Okay? Because that's what we're here for, right? Don't forget to take your profits on the way up, guys. I appreciate you, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.